Hi guys, I'm back. I hope everyone had some really great holidays. Happy New Year. Today we've got a canvas. It's black. It's already wet with black paint. And I'm going to try sort of combining two different techniques here. We're going to do just a ring pour off to the side and then blow it out with our nifty little aerial wand here. It's just a makeup blower. The brand name is actually Aerial Wand. And you just push this little button, turns it on. Not much to it, but it's a fun little toy. So I'm going to begin by, I've got these colors over here. They're colors that I've had sitting here for like 2 months now. I just had them covered with aluminum foil, and I'm just going to add, I just added a little bit of chilled distilled water to them. So now I'm just going to pour them in my cup. I can't tell you what the colors are because, like I said, they've been sitting here for 2.5 months. They're all metallic. They're all mixed with, I think, like Christina Welch's paint with some of my own metallic paint, I believe by probably Artist Loft. So, like I said, I couldn't really tell you other than that what the paints are, because I have no idea what metallics I mixed in to what. But Christina Welch's paints are a bit iridescent as opposed to metallic. So when you mix some iridescent with some metallic, you get some really cool, pretty stuff. And I don't think I'm gonna, I don't know, I might add a little bit of black in there. Just because the background is black. So I want to kind of pull it all together. And that's okay. Yeah, that's all. I don't know. Let's add a little more black in there. I don't want too much black because I don't want it to overtake the colors. I just want a little bit so that it will, you know, I don't want all the color over here and then all the solid black over there. It won't look quite right. It needs to be a little bit balanced. And I really don't need too much paint in this because, you know, the ring pour will tilt it a lot anyway. So we'll do just a dab more black and a dab more of this pretty, pretty pink. And that's going to be it. And none of these colors have silicone in them at all. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm going to try really hard not to drip, because I don't want it to be ugly in the center. There we go. Awesome. It did not drip. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and, well, you know what, normally yeah, let's pop some air bubbles. Oh, it's so pretty, I don't even want to move it. It is so pretty. Okay. Okay, but we have to. And I don't want it to go all the way to the edges on the corners. So we're just going to kind of move it to side, get it off the edges. Ooh, this is so pretty. Might have to do another one of these just on a canvas. Ooh, the bottom of this is very slippery. Let's bring it back a little bit. I don't know. Okay. And let's bring it back a little bit. Now we're going to blow out the edges. Okay. It looks kind of like a fish right now. Always have a wet paper towel. Not a paper towel, a rag. So that you can wash it later. Normally I wear gloves, but I kind of forgot them this time. So, let's get our nifty little toy here. And try and be careful. I don't want to disturb my lines too much. Try and bring a little more color into it. I don't know. Bring a little bit of that orange in there. Bless you. Okay. I'm not sure if I like that or not. Okay. Alright, I think we're going to leave that. It's kind of neat looking. Almost looks like a... Well, I really don't know what that looks like. It's kind of neat like that. I don't know. It's kind of interesting. I think we're going to leave it. Let's run it back this way. And I give it a torch real quick. Get out the air bubbles. And that's going to be it. There we go. Alright, let's get you down, bring you in for a closer look. Okay. As you can see, we did not drip in the middle, so that middle looks pretty good. That's like the best center of a tree ring pour I've ever done. And you can see little, they look like little cells. That's just where the air bubbles have popped, but it gives it a little bit of interest. And you can kind of see how shimmery everything is, hopefully. It's kind of hard to see on camera. But look at the lines. And you can still see some lines in there, even though we've blown it out. If you do it delicately, kind of gently, you can still save some of those lines. They look pretty cool close up. But you can see the iridescentness of it, especially right there. Oh, look at that. Now you can really, there we go. Sorry for the, but you can kind of see, you can really see well right there, the iridescent and the metallic kind of all mixed together. Really pretty. This ought to be pretty when it's in the sunshine and when it has some a nice finish on it. Nice. Very pretty. Take a look at the sides there. We've blown it off, and there's those pretty lines. Go back this way. This is a nice view of the shimmeriness of it. Ooh, so pretty. Alright guys, there's your pretty for today. I hope you enjoyed this one. I think the next one we're just going to take a canvas and pour some black over it and just do a ring pour with some more of the colors again, just because they look so pretty. Thank you all for supporting my channel in whatever way that you do. I really appreciate it. Watching all the ads, that helps my channel out. If you'd share and like my videos, that helps as well. That helps the channel. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the little bell. You'll know whenever I post a new video. I try and post at least one new video every week, even though the past couple weeks it's been Christmas time, so it's been a bit difficult. But hopefully I'll get back on track here, and if anyone has any ideas on anything interesting they've seen they'd like me to try out, please let me know. I hope y'all are safe, happy, and healthy, and taking care of you and all of your loved ones, wherever you're on the planet. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day. See you later. Bye.